Hello, this is Sam again from SA Locksmith and Security. What we're here today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the door lock because somebody tried to break in. He actually damaged the lock and he damaged the handle. Now we got the lock, but the lock, even from the dealer, if you buy it, you'll see that the lock comes uncoded. We want to match to the key, okay, to the existing key that works on the ignition. What I'll do, I'm just gonna take the ignition out in order to see the code on the ignition and match it to the key. First, of course, we'll have to take the plastics off. Plastics, normally on Chevy pickups there is no screws. You can look, sometimes there is one or two, but normally there isn't. What you need to do just with the plastic to open it, kind of like force it. It's in post.